Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open an Audi Q5 door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools, a Torx screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area to clearly see all fasteners and clips. For safety, always disconnect the car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts or component damage during the process. Next, we'll start by carefully prying off the small trim piece around the interior door handle. Use your plastic trim tool to avoid scratching the finish. Once that's off, you'll likely find one or two screws underneath. Remove these. Then, move to the window switch panel. Gently pry it up from one edge, disconnect the electrical connectors, and set it aside. Take your time with each step to prevent breaking any plastic clips.
Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide on your Audi Q5 helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, if you're looking for a fantastic way to keep all your car manuals or just enjoy a great book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the garage. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, inspect the entire perimeter of the door panel for any additional screws. These are often located along the bottom edge or behind small covers. Once all screws are out, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame, starting from the bottom. You'll hear the plastic clips disengage. Work your way around the edges until all clips are free. Then, lift the entire panel straight up to clear the window channel. With the panel loose, it will still be connected by a few things. First, carefully detach the door handle cable from its mounting point on the panel. This usually involves rotating a small plastic piece. Next, unplug any electrical connectors for components like speakers, courtesy lights, or side mirror controls. Once everything is disconnected, you can fully remove the door panel. Place it somewhere safe where it won't get scratched or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.